My name is Renee Aguilar, and I am the head cooking instructor of the cooking classes at MTC. I've been pursuing a career as a chef since 2012, once I graduated culinary school. I've always been around the kitchen growing up and my family, and I found that I've always been my mother's prep cook, so I've always been around the food. I've been in the restaurant industry my whole life. Got me into cooking. I have a passion for feeding people, and I find that people find comfort in grabbing together and enjoying a good meal. I actually was employed by a group called Camp, where they rent out the location for a week for an LGBT group for adults. So it's a camp destination for gay adults, and I have been attending a few years, and they actually reached out to me and informed me that they were looking for a cooking instructor. So via email and communication with other people, I was informed about it. So. I love MTC because of the beliefs that it has free to be, free to become. It's a place where the kids can be themselves with no judgment, and it's a safe place for them to explore every aspect of different types of activities and aspects of their life.
Fantastic. Any final thoughts that you have about MTC that you'd like to share?
It's a great place to be. It's never land for a lot of us adults. It's a safe place to be free and to become who they want to be, and it's a safe haven, basically. I don't know.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
All right.
Fantastic.